Good morning. Welcome to our E3 Weekly Market Report. I'm Pat McClatchy, broadcasting you on the road. We're in New York. Today is Thursday, the 23rd of July. The exports have come out just minutes ago, and we want to go over those with you. The cotton number was a very good number for old crop, 91,500. That's up 79% from the previous week and up 64% from the 4-week average. Looking at the breakdown, Vietnam took 50,800, South Korea took 13,400, and Turkey took 13,000. Then new crop, 45,500. Mexico took 24,000, Thailand took 6,300, and El Salvador took 4,800. Now, just before this report came out, and this was a good number for cotton, cotton was down 11. Right now, looking at the live board, we're up 21 on the day, and we've been about 6 higher than this. So a positive reaction for these numbers. Looking at soybeans, old crop, 80,800 metric tons. The Netherlands took 106,400. Mexico took 24,000. I'm sorry, that's Mexico took 33,000. Indonesia took 28,000 metric tons. And new crop soybean sales, 241,800. Mexico took 74,800, China took 63,000, and Japan took 30,000. Not a lot of reaction in the bean market. The bean market was actually up 5 just before this number came out, and now it's trading up about a ½ cent on the day. Looking at next at corn old crop 223,400. That's a marketing year low. Colombia took 110,000 metric tons. Japan took 99,200, and Portugal took 83,200. And the reaction there, corn was up 1 1/4 just before this number came out, and the last thing showing on the corn, not much reaction, probably there or just a little bit lower. Looking at wheat, 502,800. That's 73% above the previous week. Chile took 67,800 metric tons. China took 60,700, and the Philippines took 57,200. Wheat was actually up 6 just before this number came out, and it looks like it's still in that same area, maybe just a little bit higher. So those are really the export figures this morning and the reactions. I know Monday the crop report showed pretty much unchanged for cotton as far as good to excellent category. Close to that in grains, although they thought there would be some improvement. I think the overriding factors here for this market are the dollar strengthening has been a negative for commodities. Crude oil, and the feeling that the crude oil market could very well see the crude oil market could continue to work lower. We're seeing very much a deflationary environment for these markets. Crude oil right now is up 20 cents a barrel. The dollar is down 42, although that's coming back from where it was earlier. Gold is up $4. Silver is up 2.5 cents, and the S&P futures right now are up 150. So I think that's the main thing that we mentioned a minute ago. We're just looking at an environment today of a deflationary environment for commodities. So be aware of that. Now, I want to let everybody know that tomorrow morning at 7:30 Central Time, we'll be doing a live broadcast of our New York Cotton Market Roundtable. We'll have our cotton panel and our special guest speaker, Joe Nicosia. Make sure you join us for that tomorrow morning. You can go to agmarketnetwork.net to watch that live meeting. It's the first time that's been done in history, and we think you'll enjoy it. That's it for today. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.